In modern music theory, solfege, also called solfeggio, or solfa, is a system where every note of a scale is given its own unique syllable, which is used to sing that note every time it appears. Major or minor scales are the most common in Western classical music. They have 7 notes, and so the solfege system has 7 basic syllables. These are do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, and ti. The ancient solfeggio scale, known as just intonation, is best known for its use in soothing Gregorian chants, but its history can be traced back to biblical times. The ancient 6-tone scale, and an additional 3 tones that have been discovered since, is considered by many musicologists and scientists to have a positive effect on the mind and body. In the 11th century, a Benedictine monk named Guido di Arezzo introduced the musical scale that we now know as the solfeggio frequencies, although some consider them to be even older. The monks used these original 6 solfeggio notes in their Gregorian chants: 396, 417, 528, 639, 741, and 852. By the 16th century the scale was lost, and the 6-tone solfeggio, also known as just intonation, was replaced by the 12-tone equal temperament, which is what we still use today. Our modern 12-tone scale is thought to suppress our emotions, stifle our intuition, and limit our consciousness. It's even out of sync with the natural world, and can therefore manifest in physical symptoms, like pain or disease. The ancient solfeggio frequencies are the most notable and enduring, having been used for thousands of years, or even since time began, but there are more. Quite a few more in fact.
(396 Hz), ut, turning grief into joy, liberating guilt and fear. The first or lowest frequency, 396 Hz, is associated with the tone ut. This frequency is important because of its ability to ease and remove the feelings of guilt and fear we've accumulated throughout our life. 417 Hz, re, undoing situations and facilitating change. The next frequency in the scale, 417 Hz, is associated with the tone re. It is the frequency of change and renewal. 528 Hz, mi, transformation, miracles and DNA repair. As we continue to work our way down the scale, we come to 528 Hz, which is also known as mi. Mi is said to come from the Latin word mira gestorum, or miracle. 639 Hz, fa, reconnecting and balancing relationships. The fourth frequency on the scale is 639 Hz or fa. It's a tone of connection and relationships, creating peace and harmony in our relations with the people around us. 741 Hz, sol, solving problems, expressions and solutions. At the fifth frequency, we come to 741 Hz, otherwise known as sol. This is the tone of problem solving, more specifically, problems relating to our ability to express ourselves freely and openly. 852 Hz, la, awakening intuition, returning to spiritual order. As we've climbed the scale from the lowest to the highest frequencies, we find ourselves dealing with higher planes of consciousness. 852 Hz or la, the last of the known ancient scale brings us more in tune with our own higher self. The original solfeggio frequencies enable us to connect with a higher power, the ever-present spirit of the universe, and gives us a glimpse of the spiritual order.
They were the first 6 ancient tones discovered by modern man. Using the same maths, 3 more were found.
The lowest tone, 174 Hz, also affects us on the lowest plane, namely that of our physical body and energy. It's a natural anesthetic, relieving pain both physically and energetically, while giving our internal organs a greater sense of security and comfort. 285 Hz goes even further, treating the physical body, healing skin and muscle tissue to remove burns, lacerations, and other damage. It improves our health and overall well-being by rejuvenating our body, mind, and energy levels. The last in the solfeggio set of frequencies is 963 Hz, which takes us to the highest plane of consciousness. This frequency connects us with the perfection of the universe. It allows us to tap into the oneness that permeates everything that is, and all that will be. The crown chakra is linked to the pineal gland, central nervous system, through which it is said we can access high-level intuition, telepathy, psychic vision, and an intimate connection with God.
Thank you for watching and listening. We hope you've enjoyed learning about sound, the highest form of healing in the hierarchy of cure. If you have, why not teach, or tell it, and pay your knowledge and experiences with sound healing forward?